Hey guys, so tonight I'm doing a paint pour through a colander because I feel like it. This is some kind of MDF particle board type thing. It's just some kind of leftover piece of wood from a project my dad was doing, and he got, I don't know, he didn't feel like doing it anymore or whatever. He didn't want to toss it, so he was like, here, you do something with it. So I'm going to do a pour over it, and then I'm thinking I might actually turn this into a clock or something, because why not? It'd be cool. So I'm going to be using these colors. They're left over from another pour I did recently. I don't want them to go to waste, so I'm not going to mix up anything else yet. I just want to use these up. I'm probably still going to have a little left over, but that's okay. I'll just put whatever's left after this into another cup and just eventually do a leftover paint pour. Okay. Now we're going to put that in the middle. Okay. So I think I like this a lot more. Yeah. Do right my fingers again. Now we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes and see if it does anything else. Okay, so I'm back. It's been, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. I can't see much of a change, but I can never really tell until I look at the footage and speed it up, because then I can see everything move really fast. Right now, it doesn't look like much has changed, but I still like it. So I'm going to take you in for the close-up. So I did end up getting like a paler pink because of the pink and white. That's okay. And then we have this like bright pink and purple and blue. That's pretty. And then I kind of like these weird bluish grayish cells here. And then this is just panning over the top. But yeah, I'm gonna let it dry, and then maybe I'll show it to you guys dried and finished in another video. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, all that good fun stuff. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.